Here are the top 5 categories that you can sell on Amazon Australia as a complete beginner. Now you're probably thinking to yourself, Jack, how are you sitting down if your chair's over there? Well, let me tell you. Please help me, my legs are shaking. Number 5 is the baby category. Now, baby products and everything to do with the baby category on Amazon is really, really popular. Baby products are always going to be popular. People are always having kids, always having babies, and it's just a safe sort of category to get into as a beginner seller. I guess the only thing to really note is just don't sell anything for babies that are like ingestive or things that babies digest. Apart from that, you should be safe. Usually a really, really good category to first get started on. Number 4 is the beauty niche. Don't know why I'm showing you this. This is the case for my retainer at night. I have sold a range of beauty products both on the Australian market and the US market, and they're always a big hit. They're always great for products that are priced around anywhere from $25 to $75. Really, really good to sell, especially for beginners. The only thing to note with the beauty category is that a lot of these beauty products, sometimes you just need to send Amazon the right certificates for your product, whether it has a battery or whether it's just particular FBA standards, right? And you usually just get them from your supplier. But beauty products, always a great thing to sell on Amazon. They're always in high demand and they're always super helpful for a lot of people. Number 3 is home and even home and kitchen. Now, I don't know why I'm working backwards with this because these are in no particular order at all, right? But home and kitchen is also a good one. And I'm in the kitchen right up front is that. Always a good category to sell in just because there are so many products that are, especially for beginners, small, fit in a shoebox, right? Main thing is you're looking for products that can really genuinely help people. And the main thing I would consider with all these categories is to find products that help people. Find products that solve a particular issue. All the products that I've sold have either helped people or really just solved an issue in a particular way. And if I didn't know what product or what problem I wanted to solve, I would start with my own issues, right? I've sold things like teeth cleaners, I've sold things like resistance band fitness sets, and it's just a really great way to go about finding what products to sell, because if you're solving a problem, that means that there's demand for it. If you're solving one of your own problems, more than likely other people are going to have that same problem. Not only that, but the home and kitchen category have a huge variety of products that you can sell, which means that there's a lot of product selection for you. Yeah, I'm pretty sure you know which category is next. Stop looking sus, you know. Yeah, you guessed it. The next category is the pet category, and pet lovers galore on Amazon, right? But there's a lot of products on there. No, there's a lot of products. Yeah, no, she knows. It's just that she's been stuck up because she's like way past a 7-figure seller, and she's just sick of me rambling about the basic stuff because she's so experienced. So she's literally that experienced that she can just sit there all day and the money's just rolling in for her. But yeah, pets, huge selection of products again, and pet lovers galore. Make sure with pet products you find something that will help the health or the well-being of someone's product. Things like orthopedic dog beds and just even things like automatic drink fountains. A lot of products that will benefit the dog itself and will, in the eyes of a dog or a pet, even a cat owner, right, just a pet owner in general, if it is helping their little furry one out, it's good for you as a seller. I get it. No, I get it. I got, all right, sorry. Now the last category we've got is, hey bro, what's going on? Yeah, of course. Signature? Yeah, I'll sign that for you. There you go. No worries, man. No one was there. I'm literally in my bedroom. Anyway, last category is fitness. Now, fitness has been a big one for me. Everyone is looking to always improve their fitness. One of the products that I sold in the fitness category was a resistance band fitness set, like I said earlier. Now, I ended up selling about $20,000 per month with this product, and fitness has always been huge. Now, I would make sure to target a fitness product that is something that people can use both at home and especially in the gym. Fitness products were huge during the COVID era because people were stuck at home, and home fitness products were a killer for me. I'd made quite a bit of money selling home fitness products. These days you can get away with it, but I would suggest to use something or sell something that people can use both at home and at the gym, or even just when they're out and about, a complementary product, right? But the fitness product niche, just fitness in general, is huge. Now, I wouldn't sell something like a gym towel or a yoga mat, but what I would suggest is if you were selling something like a resistance band set or selling something similar, to have a complementary product. That's where you can add, say, either like a small light yoga mat or even just like a small cheap gym towel to complement your product, because that way, once you start bundling with your product, you're going to get ahead of the competition. Because I'm telling you, a lot of these sellers are lazy and they just sell the exact same thing, no branding, no complementary products, no improvements. If you come in with a product that's slightly better, you're going to dominate the market. And the fitness niche is a great niche to do that in too. You also may have noticed that the cameras changed quality. My normal camera went flat, right? Big boy went Deadzo or Reno. So I'm just going to film the rest on here. So it's just some last remarks, because they were the top 5 categories that I'd suggest you sell in as a beginner. Some last remarks on this is, when you're selling, make sure that you go for something that has high search volume. Make sure that you go for something that's solving a problem for people, right? And then you got to make sure that you differentiate yourself. Don't sell the exact same thing. And a lot of people ask me, Jack, do you sell branded items, or do you go with a generic brand? I always go branded items. Whether you're just putting your logo on the packaging or the product itself, always go for branded on Amazon, and try and differentiate yourself, whether that is slightly improving the product or even just adding something, right? Just bundling it together. All of my students, my clients that I work with, I always recommend this. And the people that do it are the ones that get out ahead and they start actually growing their sales. The ones that don't do brand, the ones that just want to go the easy route and just go generic brand, no change in color or design and no addition to make the product better, they're the ones that struggle. And then they wonder why they're struggling to push sales with PPC. They're essentially just selling the same thing as everyone else. The people who go that extra step, especially with nice listing, nice photos as well, but just having a product that's slightly better, will change the trajectory of your business in large ways down the line. But apart from that, that is it. If you have any questions, let me know. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you guys in the next one.